Got a peek at this one. It's buckle. Come on down here and take a look. You ready? Wow, look at that. Nice. Stamped, beautiful condition. Got a little push right here, not bad. But look at that. Wow. This is one of the rarer ones. It's pretty nice. Beautiful. 15 feet away, and I've been hunting around here for about the last half hour, so that's the last part that I found. But I got another buckle part here in the hole. Take a look at this. Right here. Now, I haven't really looked at it at all yet, so it's all there. This is the wreath side to a two-piece buckle.